Hi everybody, Molly Ann Fairley, as usual from the School of Psychic Studies, and I'm telling you about a fabulous new moon. Yes, all of the crap we've gone through this year, it's going to turn the corner, and it's going to turn the corner this Friday. And you may already be feeling an upsurge of energy and more energetic than you're used to. And this is going to continue for the 15 days after the 30th of August. We are performing magic on Monday evening at 8 o'clock on the 2nd of September. This is really important that we do this magic on certain times of the month so that we're working with moon cycles. And this new moon is about, I'm just going to read it to you, planet of strength, courage, sexuality. You will feel passionate, your desires will come to the forefront, new beginnings, re-energizing old flames, re-energizing your marriage, passion, starting a new leaf, turning over a new leaf, getting going, much more energy than you've had of late. So join me on Monday, 2nd of September, if this interests you. And as you know, we do a massive healing beforehand so that I completely get you ready, so that you're ready to do the magic and you're clear. You're going to need on this one, I've asked for a white candle, a pale blue candle. Doesn't matter if you can't get a pale blue one. And also if you can add something red to your altar. If you can't find something red, get hold of a red candle. Okay, can be anything red, lump of material, doesn't matter, as long as you find something strong red. See you Monday evening, 8 o'clock, yes, on Zoom.